Hi everyone, it is super freezing and I'm here at the flip house. This is what we got going on today. All right, excuse the mess, but obviously everything's painted. Gosh, it is so messy in here. I really gotta try to clean this up today. My dad put some cabinets up the other day and these cabinets are actually going to be painted, and I'm not going to disclose the color yet because I really just want you guys to see it on video because I know it's going to look amazing. Let me see. Today I'm going to be painting these closet doors so I can get these back up and out of the way. I don't think I'm going to be able to get them up today just because it's so cold that the paint's going to take forever to dry. But we went and picked up flooring yesterday, so that is here. My carpet guys are scheduled to come install carpet. I removed all the trim in this this hallway. This is not a closet. I keep calling it a closet, but it's a hallway. And I need to go to Lowe's to grab some more trim, or Home Depot. And I think for right now, that's about it. And then I obviously need to clean up this mess. Look at this mess. Oh my goodness. My dad tried to paint the outside of the house yesterday, but our paint gun is broken or something. I don't know, but the gun's not working. So we have to buy a new gun, and that's not going to come in until next week. So we're not going to get the outside painted until next week, which sucks. But anyways, yeah, that's what's going on today. So I did get the closet doors painted, and I went ahead and hung them up so that I could get them out of the living room. My dad was going to be putting in the rest of the cabinets, and I really wanted to get those painted as well, so I needed the space in the living room in order to do that. And I decided to go ahead and take on this project myself, which hanging doors is not the easiest thing in the world when you're by yourself, but I managed. So I'm at the flip house, and I'm hoping to start painting these cabinets today. I might not actually get to paint them, but just get it all set up to paint. What I went ahead and did was I labeled every single door. So like I labeled that one 1A, 1B, and then like 2A, 2B, because these are both of the uppers. And then all the bottom ones have labels as well. And you can pretty much label it however you want, just as long as you know where the doors go. And I did that so that I wouldn't get any doors mixed up, and I'm gonna know exactly where they go, and they're all gonna fit perfectly, and it won't be a big problem. The drawers, I don't have to do that with because I only have 2 drawer cabinets, and those are different sizes. So this is an 18-inch, that's a 24-inch. And so the drawers are gonna, obviously like the 24-inch drawers are not gonna fit in the 18-inch drawers. So I already know where those are gonna go. But yeah, let's see, hopefully I can get this started today. I gotta go to work here in a couple hours. So I don't really have a lot that I can do until then, but at least we'll get a good start. Okay, I got all the doors off. Now I'm gonna go through and fill all of these cracks in between where the cabinets meet up. And I'm just gonna fill those with caulk so that it looks like it's seamless. And then I should be good to go to start getting at least one coat on the bases. So these are the rollers I decided to use for the cabinets, and they worked really well. I was really happy with them because they left a really nice finish. But let me go ahead and point out the obvious, that the video is in black and white, and I hope you guys are not too disappointed. But like I said earlier, I just don't really want to disclose the color of the cabinets yet. It is a pretty bold color, and I got some head turns whenever I first told people about it, so I just don't think that you're really going to be able to get the full effect with just the cabinets as is. I think you really need like the full package in order to get like the whole shebang and like really the wow factor. So I'm probably going to hold off until the kitchen is completely done and we do like our final tour. That way you guys will be super surprised to see what we did. All right, so I got all the bases covered except for, I forgot that little spot right there. I'm gonna have to do that when I do the second coat, but they got all of their first coat, looking great. And I'm so excited for it to be done. I wanna see what it's gonna look like. Also, I have a visitor. Tubby himself came to say hi. So cute. He's got a bunch of other cat friends, but they won't come up to me. He's the only one. So cute. Or she. I actually don't know what it is. So a little bit more about the cabinet color. Whenever I initially told, my dad and my husband and my mom and a couple of friends what color I was going to be doing the cabinets, I got a lot of nose scrunches and like eyebrow raises and questions about like why I would choose such a color. And the thing was that I had a really specific vision for the house as soon as I knew that we were going to get it and kind of what I wanted to do as far as color scheme and everything. So I just knew from the get-go this is what I wanted to do, and again, I think it's going to look great, but it is definitely out of a lot of people's comfort zones. Not necessarily my comfort zone, like I would totally do this for our own house, but this is obviously not my house and we're trying to sell the house. So I think that was everybody's concern, is like, are we going to be able to sell a house with the kitchen cabinets looking like this? That is one thing that I'm obviously concerned about as well, but I do think that there's going to be somebody who walks in the house and just falls in love with the kitchen and wants to buy it for that sole reason. So there's that. I'm also really curious to see what you guys are guessing that the color is, so make sure you put your guess in the comments because I want to see what y'all are thinking, and also maybe I'll get some ideas for like future kitchens, so make sure you comment below. So now that we're done with the cabinets, we can go ahead and start working on a whole slew of other things, and I'm so excited about that. But as far as this video, that is going to be it for today. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like and also subscribe so you can see the future updates, and also you can see what color the cabinets actually are. Also, just like, because my daughter is super adorable. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until the next video, I hope y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all soon.